When it was being masterminded that I would be removed, the arrangement was my deputy was going to. But unfortunately, she was always on my side. So you now understand what it means to be a great supporter. The chairman of Public Accounts Committee, Honorable Bamidele Salem, and your members that are here. Let me also recognize my God-sent team, led by the secretary to the state government, other members of the state executive council that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. When I was informed of this event, I did not hesitate to give my approval because as an accountant, I know what it means to have an interactive section with Public Accounts Committee. Let me do a little background. When I was appointed the Accountant General of the state, from the moment I assumed that position on the 1st of January 2020, the position of our state changed. We started recording the best reporting of accounting report in Nigeria. I hope you are aware. You can go and check. Our record improved. We had nothing to hide because we understand the numbers and the presentations were very clear to everybody. So, what does it reflect? It means that transparency is there. Accountability speaks when your reporting are in order. Because it shows judicious use of resources without fear. Honestly, when you're reporting, it shows that, look, your records are in order. And those were the services we rendered to the immediate past administration. So when we came on board on our own, knowing fully well that this is what we know how to do best, it is proper for us to have a better relationship, a closer ties with this committee. So I said, please, protocol, do everything you need to do to give them the best. And if they're coming, no matter how tight my schedule will be, I'll still want to have, even if it's 5 minutes with them, so I can come. So I'm happy to see you this afternoon to say thank you to you. The news about River State has always been, from the other side, negative stories. In fact, some people will tell you that the people who stay in government house now are militants. But I'm happy that when you got in here, you saw how decent this place is. Yes, that is the truth. And we need to encourage more of this visitation so that when you go back, you now tell the people the true story of Rivers. No matter the challenges we are facing today, our eyes will still be on the ball. We will not lose focus. We have promised our people that our government will be a government of the people. We care for the people. The people is the most important thing. I read a book who said, what was the strength of Rome? The strength of Rome was just the people. When you have the people, you have everything. Yeah. It doesn't matter the high or mighty, the number of policemen that you men you carry around. The people is the most important thing. Because the people are the ones who, in their subunits, control people, who at the end control other people, at the end makes the decision when the time comes. It's not the policemen, it's not the army, it's not the escort, it is the people. So our concern is the people. So our target, I'm also happy that you did mention most of the things we have done within the short period. As an organized government, when we came on board, we had a very big challenge. For 11 years, there was no promotion in this state. So imagine a government that inherited about 52,000 civil servants, and you had to pay them because what we were paying before I came in was an average of 5.3. Let us even do 25% of it. It can't be anything less than 8 point something. Is it not? That is what we started paying. How much is our allocation? So we need to think outside the box. That was where we now did a rejig of our internal revenue. And I can tell you today, all the projects we're doing, we don't borrow. We are very transparent. We are not hiding anything. That is why I boldly will say it. The least we do this period is 26, 27. The highest they were doing before is 12 and 13. You're not going to take the money from me now, so why would I tell you? It's for the people. And we'll make sure that we deploy this fund to the people. We'll make sure that we apply these funds areas that will bring positive change. Education, healthcare, agriculture. We'll also do a few roads, but the most important thing is these 3 items. That is the only way we can save ourselves from this present situation of hardship. Save ourselves from this issue of societal ill. You call it cultism, whatever you call it. If there is no good education, education is the only way we can go to instrument we can use to fight it. And we need the healthcare. You need to be alive to even drive a good car on the road. You can imagine how much we spend in medical tourism. So those are the targets of this government. And we assure you, just like our brother said there, I don't pray alone. The entire state is praying for us. And that is why we're achieving it without noise. We're achieving it without going on media, what do people call it? Media hype. So God is with us. We also continue to call his faces all the time to be with us. For our members, my message is very simple. We're on a crossroad in our country. We all need to stand on the side of truth. It doesn't matter the number. I've been saying it. What is important is any decision you make. You were here to tell me about the doggedness and what is the uprightness of my reps members, Boma and Abiante. What matters in life is not coming to say because you're on the radio, you say talk about integrity. there are things that speak, that are evidence, public science on your body and around you that shows if you have integrity. That is the truth. And I can boldly say, without fear, nobody can take it away from me. And if there is anything that made me want this position in the heart of even those that are fighting me, it's because I was upright. So if I were upright at that time, and it helped me to be where I am, through God, although they say it's them, but nothing happens without God. That is the truth. God is everything. If God says it won't be, it won't be.
Yes.
So if I could be upright at that time, why would I not be even 1,000,001 time upright now? I assure you that that aspect of my life, no matter the challenges that I'm facing, I will not throw it to the dustbin. I'm happy that people that are associated with me have been commended publicly. It gives me joy. And I encourage them, please, that thing that you do that people are saying is good, continue to do it. It's a honor, honestly speaking, for one to talk about people publicly and well. This is not politics. The commendation is a I call it a blank check anywhere. So I thank you for that honor that you've given to our people because of their good work publicly. And as a government, we'll hold it dear to our hearts. We'll continue to associate with them to make sure that they continue to do the best wherever they come or wherever they find themselves in the midst of reps members. Or even, who knows, tomorrow they might be outside reps to another place. They will do well for us. So let me